Welcome back to Trusted Nose with the man that likes to smell good. I hope you're well, in good health, and of course, I hope you're smelling great. So today, I want to give you a first impression / unboxing video of Zara's Warm Black. So you know me, I'm gonna do what I do best. So with Warm Black now, came out in 2020. Just like Zadig and Voltaire, this is him. He's been in a lot of top 10 lists for autumn, winter, and it's been compared to Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille. So listen, I'm actually excited for this one because I know Zara, sometimes they do good dupes or clones or whatever you want to call it, and sometimes they miss all the way down there. So I'm ready. I hope you're ready. I'm doing too much talking. So Zara Warm Black, first impressions, let's go. All right, so the notes consist of ginger, coriander, Balkan tobacco absolute, saffron, vanilla, tonka, amyris, citrus absolute, cypriol, and java wood. So let me quickly get into the box. So nothing special, you know I'm not gonna keep the box. Has the ingredients on the back, the notes at the top. My bottle only cost me £11, so you know the Zara price point is always healthy, so shout out to them. So let's get cracking, let's do this. Ooh, see the way I'm tearing up this box? See what I just done? Think I care? What's that? Oh, that's the thing, so I'm gonna chuck that right there. And you know I'm a dickhead because I'm gonna be the one that has to pick it up anyway. But well. So here is the bottle. Just nice. It fades from black to brown. Fingerprint magnet. Plastic cap. Well, what do you expect? It's £11 fragrance. So yeah, let's get into the smell test. Let's do this. Okay, let's do this. Too much talking once again. All right, so spray. I know the atomizer is gonna be violent. I was right. Okay. All right. Just give you a little bit of a background with me and Tobacco Vanille. I love that fragrance. I think that is one of Tom Ford's best private blends, but that's just my opinion. I can already smell it in the opening right now. It's obviously it's £11 fragrance, so it's going to be a little bit synthetic, or very much so synthetic, but it's doing a good job. So on the opening right now, it does smell like Tobacco Vanille, hands down. It smells like a little bit sweeter. So imagine Tobacco Vanille watered down a little bit, with added sweetness, maybe a little bit of a cherry tobacco type of vibe. So I quickly went to go and get my sample of Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille. You can see there's only very little bit left, so I have to use it sparingly. So let me spray it on my right arm. So let's do this. Okay. This doesn't last long at all, so I already have to reapply. So let me let these both dry down. I'll give you a good comparison right now. Okay, so they do smell alike, but obviously not completely alike. So I would say 80% alike on the opening. But obviously, you know, Tom Ford's got way better quality. The ingredients smell they smell raw, they smell richer, they smell better. Obviously, it's a more expensive fragrance. I'm also almost getting a cigarette type of vibe on the Zara Warm Black. But they are similar. You can tell that they've been inspired by, well, Zara was inspired by Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille. It almost smells a little bit almost getting a type of spice bomb type of feel. So just to simplify it a little bit more, if you haven't smelled Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille, so Zara Warm Black smells like a spicy ginger ale. if it was a fragrance, if that makes sense. It makes sense to me, hopefully it makes sense to you, but that's like the simplest way I can put it. So Zara's Warm Black is a good dupe of Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille, but it just doesn't last long at all. Like, obviously smelling them side by side doesn't really compare. The performance is, that's the thing about Zara fragrances, like it's just literally just like scented water. Like, it just disappears within like the first hour. So you're gonna have to keep on reapplying this fragrance. In terms of occasion, right now, this is similar to Tobacco Vanille. So casual activities, going out, I suppose you can get away with wearing this in the office, but yeah, I'm yet to try it, so I'll give you feedback on that on my Instagram. But yeah, I like it. I like it. I give it the thumbs up. Yeah, so if you like spicy, warm, I was saying spicy, warm, and addictive, but no, that's the other fragrance. But if you like that type of fragrance, if you like tobacco in your fragrances, but you don't want to spend the money, then get this. It's £11. I would recommend, off the rip, like I would recommend. I like this. So right now, I would say it's gone down from 80% in the opening. So the dry down, they're not really too similar, but they're in like the similar type of vibe or umbrella. So they're almost like distant cousins or something silly like that. But yeah, as a general rule of life, like if you want to get something, me personally, I'd rather just save up my money and buy Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille. But this is still good. Like, I know not a lot of people like to spend over like £60 on fragrances. So if you're one of those people, I would recommend you just grabbing this and picking this up, because it is only £11. So if you like this video, please remember to like, comment and subscribe. It'll be much appreciated. But also follow me on Instagram, trusted_nose. I'm considering doing a giveaway. I just need to figure out what fragrance I want to give away, but I don't know, look out for that in the future. So